What is up, guys? It is day 48 of Calendar Cthulhu with me, Snike. Alright, looking at our calendar for today, we can see we still have 5 remaining encounters. Still going to aim for that flashlight since I just want to get rid of it. Now let's go head over to the dice tray and see what we get. Alright, we'll pick up these bad boys. Shake, shake. Okay. A magnifying glass, a gun, a 5, and a 4. Which, you know what? We got a couple 13s on the calendar this week, so we'll re-roll that 3. One more. Last one. We did not win out, but we still got one day, so that's still a win in my book. Alright guys, as you just saw, we got a gun, a magnifying glass, and unfortunately our gambling did not work out as we got a 10 on our rolls for today. However, we will use what we got to complete February 17th. Up on the calendar. As always, thank you all so much for stopping by and come back tomorrow for more Calendar of Cthulhu. Subscribe.